Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 10 Economics Chapter 1 Development. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Income and Other Criteria Part 1, and in that the income criterion. This comprises 5 questions. Question 1. For aspirations and goals, individuals not only think of dash but also other goals. The options are good housing, stylish clothing, better income, great cars. Your time to choose. And the answer is better income. So, for aspirations and goals, individuals not only think of better income but also other goals. Question 2. For aspirations and goals, individuals not only think of better income but also other goals such as dash, etc. The options are security, respect for others, equal treatment and freedom, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, for aspirations and goals, individuals not only think of better income but also other goals such as security, respect for others, equal treatment and freedom. Question 3. A nation or a region may also, besides average income, think of other dash attributes. The options are equally important, miscellaneous, out of the way, preposterous. Your time to choose. And the answer is equally important. So, a nation or a region may also, besides average income, think of other equally important attributes. Next, we have a table also in your textbook. Please pause the video and have a good look at the table. Next question. For a person in dash earned the highest income, a person in dash earned the second highest, and a person in dash earned the lowest. The options are Kerala, Haryana, Bihar, Haryana, Kerala, Bihar, Bihar, Haryana, Kerala. Your time to choose. And the answer is Haryana, Kerala, Bihar. So, a person in Haryana earned the highest income, a person in Kerala earned the second highest, and a person in Bihar earned the lowest. Last question, question 5. Thus, considering average income only, Haryana is dash, Kerala is dash, and Bihar is dash. The options are best developed, second best developed, least developed, all these in order. Your time to choose. And the answer is all these in order. So, thus, considering average income only, Haryana is best developed, Kerala is second best developed, and Bihar is least developed. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section Income and Other Criteria, Part 1, that is the income criterion. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section Income and Other Criteria, Part 2, that is the IMR criterion. I'll see you there.